This is Chris from Total Parts Spots, and today we have a 2012 Ford Focus titanium sedan, stock reference number 5379. The shape runs from the 5th month 2011 through to the 8th month 2015. It has a 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, tidy front bumper cover, left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light. Left guard appears to have no damage. Left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left hand side skirt. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light. Left boot lid garnish. Tidy rear bumper cover. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Right hand boot lid garnish. Right hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right hand side skirt. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right guard which appears to have no damage. We have driver side door trim, power window master switch, power fold mirror type. This vehicle is fitted with grey leather interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heating controls, factory Sony control panel, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.